Hello everyone. What I'm about to explain comes from everything we've learned over the past 10 years working in our repair shop. Error N29 means your Ecobee thermostat has stopped detecting power from your heating or air conditioning system. In other words, the problem is usually with the HVAC system itself, not the thermostat. At our shop, we often hear customers say things like, "My thermostat turns on, but the AC won't respond," or "Everything was working fine, and then error N29 suddenly showed up." When we hear that, the first things we check are a switched off disconnect, a blown fuse, or a tripped circuit breaker, since those are the most common causes. If all of those check out, the next step is inspecting the wiring. Some customers tell us the error appeared right after their HVAC system was serviced. In those cases, it's not uncommon to find a loose wire or a poor connection at the power terminals. It's also a good idea to check the AC condensate drain and the 24-volt transformer. If the drain is clogged or the transformer fails, many HVAC systems will shut off power as a safety measure, causing the Ecobee to display error N29. According to Ecobee, this error code is usually caused by a loss of power from the HVAC system. They recommend checking the power supply, fuses, wiring, and any safety devices. If the error remains after those checks, the best solution is to have the system inspected by a qualified HVAC technician to identify the component that's interrupting the power.